I'll be showing you the top discount code apps for your Shopify store, and for each of these apps, we'll be taking a look at their features, pricing, and reviews so you can decide what's the best fit for your store. Before I dive into it, I want to say if you want the ultimate no-code Shopify theme designed for any niche and packed with 20 plus conversion boosting features, saving you up to $1,548 per year on app subscriptions, look no further than Conversion King. It's my very own Shopify theme, and you can try it out completely free for 14 days, and I'll leave a link for it in the description below. First up, we have Bulk Discount Code Bot, so you can generate and export unique discount code sets, giving you a ton of customizability. So you can create and import unlimited unique discount codes right in Shopify. You can also preview the example codes and get an estimated time to generate. It also makes it easy to look up any unique codes to find its discount inside Shopify. And you can also export these codes into a CSV file directly from the app to use in your marketing. It's going to extend that functionality here, and you get tons of different discount types from buy one, get one, tiered pricing, volume discounts, and more. In terms of pricing, there is a free plan that lets you get started with 3 discount sets at no charge, and paid plans start at $19 a month for basic, Shopify, and advanced plans here, and at Shopify Plus merchants, it's $99 a month. In terms of reviews, sitting at an excellent 4.9 stars with just shy of 350 5-star reviews. Merchants highly recommend this app for its ability to efficiently generate large volumes of discount codes, ideal for promotional campaigns, as well as customer retention. Next up, we have My Bulk Discount Creator, letting you create, organize, and export unique discount codes for social campaigns, loyalty programs, and more. Makes it easy to keep track of all your bulk discounts. You can create up to 250,000 discount codes at once. It lets you easily set up the discount set parameters, and you can also view or export your discount sets very easily. In terms of pricing, it's free to install, and it's $1 for up to 10,000 codes, and $3 up to 100K codes, and $5 for up to 250K. In terms of reviews, sitting at an excellent 4.5 stars with 195 5-star reviews. If we take a look at the latest review here, this merchant said it's a simple app with great value. For example, you can make 25,000 individualized single-use codes with the suffix of your choice and an expiration of your selection for just $3. Next up, we have AME Bulk Discount Codes, letting you easily create and customize thousands of unique discount codes in just one click. So again, you can do it in bulk here, giving you quite a bit of customization on how to actually set this up and how the discount codes are going to be applied. The coupons are also stored in the Shopify discounts dashboard. You can also stack these to other product discounts and other shipping discounts. In terms of reviews, sitting at a really good 4.3 stars with 5 5-star reviews. And if we take a look at this latest review here, this app has been incredibly helpful and works very well. They're in the business of audio plugins for Mac and PC. They needed a way to generate license codes for the distributors, and with the bulk discount code generation app combined with the buy button instant checkout link, this solved the problem easily. Lastly, we have Dino, so you can generate unique and customized bulk discount codes. You can also import unlimited discount codes as well, and add prefix and suffix to your discount codes to give them more customization. And it makes it super easy to export these into a discount CSV file. It makes it easy to create things like 200,000 codes at once. And in terms of pricing, there's a 7-day free trial, and paid plans start at $8.95. This is the only one here that gives you unlimited discount sets. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at a perfect 5 stars with 18 5-star reviews. The latest review from a merchant who says this is their go-to discount code generator app. It's very easy and straightforward, and overall a great product. If you've made any sales on Shopify, you know how hard it is to keep track of how much profit your store has actually made. And that's where our sponsor Profit Calc comes in, the one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. Once set up, all you have to do is select the date range you're looking for to get real-time calculations, along with tons of other details, metrics, and analytics, so you can make smarter business decisions. It's going to sync seamlessly with all your different ad accounts and many cost of goods sold options like AliExpress, CJ Dropshipping, and ShipHero. It also comes with a free 15-day trial so you can test drive everything for yourself. You can find it in the Shopify App Store by searching for Profit Calc. You can see it right here by its logo. I'll also leave a link for the app listing in the description below. Again, there's a 15-day free trial, so make sure you check it out. This concludes the video here on the top discount code apps for your Shopify store. If this video helped at all, I would love it so much if you smash that like like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment. Before we go, I want to mention Conversion King one more time, my very own Shopify theme, packed with 20 plus conversion boosting features, saving you up to $1,548 a year. There's a link in the description, so make sure you check it out. And you can start a 14-day free trial completely free where you can test drive everything in the theme. There's a link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.